welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it's an unboxing that I've not done before, and it's a little bit different to what I normally do. Basically, I was contacted on Instagram by an account called Tulip, and they are a brand new exciting monthly subscription based service for feminine hygiene. If you don't know what feminine hygiene is, it's about making sure your fanny, your minge, your vagina, your vulva, what else do you call it? Mary, a fairy, a fluff, a foof. What else do people call their fannies? A vag, your minge. Making sure you're all nice and clean and your pH is where it should be. Yeah, and they contacted me and said, do I want to have a box to unbox? And I was like, you know what? Yeah, let's have a little go. So they sent me a box. I'm just on their website, just having a little look. And it basically says, a monthly subscription box for general feminine hygiene is a new concept to the subscribing world. Your box is full of products to help you keep clean and protect yourself from bacteria buildup, which could lead to an infection if not cared for. pH balance is vital for your vagina, which is why most of our products are pH balancing. All products are wrapped in packaging to keep clean and presented. As well as the products, your box also includes a thank you and business card. Your monthly products are contained in a discreet box. There's no logos or anything on it, just in case. I don't know why anyone would care anyway. Everybody has to wash a minge, don't they? But yeah. And then the box is £20 a month with free delivery. Delivery is 2 to 3 days after the payment is taken. This was sent to me for free, just in case that wasn't clear. You can cancel or pause the subscription at any time. It's convenient and encouraging women to take more care of your intimate health area, your minge. Minge is my go-to word. Minge, if I'm talking to the girls. Mini is what the girls call it, or vagine. In the future, we're looking into creating our own line of pH balancing products and razors. And then, yeah, I'll link all their social media and everything down below for you guys. So, bam, comes like this. I love the packaging, it's really pretty. We've got a card. It says, thank you from Tidy Tulip for being part of the Tulip family. I was reason Tidy Tulip is what they might call their fannies, a tulip, which is quite a nice name for it. It's nicer than minge. Let's have a look. Oh, it's all wrapped up individually. Look, that's cute. Let's just have a look. So, got a little business card. What have we got in here? Oh, we've got some panty liners. What else is in here? That's more panty liners. I love these little boxes. These are so cute. So that is just panty liners in those two little bits. And then, right, let's just get in. We've got intimate skin freshness deodorant. Let's have a look. Gentle deodorant has been specially formulated to give long-lasting freshness to the intimate area. I have never sprayed deodorant on my vagina. And it says, the delicate fragrance combined with the calendula complex helps to leave you feeling fresh and confident. The moisturising silk extract provides a protective layer to ensure maximum comfort. Femme Fresh deodorant have all been dermatologically and gynecologically tested and is suitable for everyday use. The hypoallergenic talc-free sauna is gentle and can be sprayed around the intimate area or onto your pants. It says underwear, but I don't say underwear. Pants. Shake well and spray from a distance. I'm not going to spray it on my minge on camera. I'm just going to spray it and see what it smells like. Ooh. It doesn't. It's just like quite a really light. It doesn't smell very much at all, to be honest, but it's nice. But I haven't ever felt the need to spray my fanny, but we'll see, maybe in the summer. Oh, and I have checked everything is okay to use in pregnancy, just in case you were wondering. I did double check that with them. We've got Femme Fresh Intimate Skincare Daily Wash. So this is like a shower gel, I think. And it says your fannies intimate skin is different to all your other skin. Its pH is 4.5 and the rest is 5.5. And this is aloe juice, natural calendula and natural ingredients. And it just says, just wash. You don't ever wash inside your fanny. Just don't do that. Don't wash inside your minge, like up. Don't do that. Just, you know how to wash your fanny. We've got some Femme Fresh Ultimate Intimate Skincare Wipes. Soothing Mallow Extract. Ooh. These wipes are not flushable. I don't actually use wipes anymore for anything. Like baby wipes, face wipes, anything like that, just because of how bad they are for the environment. So I won't be using these. But I know some people still like them. But these are just, yeah, sort of to give yourself a wipe, I think, if you're feeling unfresh during the day. I assume that's what they're for. pH balancing, smooth, deodorizing. Yeah, but I don't use wipes. And even for the new baby, I have got one packet of wipes to take to hospital with me for when the baby is born. And then I'm getting cheeky wipes, the reusable wipes, to have for when he's here, because just trying to do my little bit for the environment. So these won't get used. These will go, I don't know, I'll probably put them in a food bank thing or something, because someone will want them. And then I've got some razors. Just some disposable razors. There's no brand or anything. Oh no, they're Gillette ones. So they're just little throwaway razors. And then we've got a post-shave balm, which you use daily to minimise ingrown hairs, reduces razor rash and bumps, calms and soothes post-hair removal. So use immediately after hair removal, put a small amount on fingers and rub gently into the skin. So that will definitely get used, because, yeah, I'm always looking for moisturisers to use after I've shaved my bits. Says, tried and tested. This product is soothing on my bikini line after hair removal, 98% agree. The product reduces the redness from hair removal, 86% agree. And my bikini area was smoother for longer, 80% agree. Enriched with blackcurrant oil. Oh, I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Doesn't smell of anything. I thought it was going to smell like blackcurrants. Doesn't smell of anything at all, but that's really easily absorbed. That's just gone. So yeah, that is the box. I think every month the products will change slightly from what I understand. I will, if I'm wrong about that, I will put it down below, but it's generally going to be the same kind of things. So it's kind of like Pink Parcel, but without the period products, and just more about vaginal health than periods. But I think it's really nice. Thank you so much to Tidy Tulip for sending it to me. Look, I've made it look all pretty. Made it look all pretty in the box, ready for Instagram. But yeah, just thought it was something a bit different. If you like these videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I will link everything you need to know down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.